Let me tell you 4 reasons people struggle to trust their intuition and what actually fixes each one. So the very first one is overthinking. People do get intuitive nudges, but then the mind jumps in with, what if I'm wrong? And I should think about this more. And so they loop and analyze until the intuition gets drowned out. The shift: stop asking what's the right answer and start asking what feels lighter in my body. Intuition speaks softly, the mind speaks loudly. Second, people confuse fear with intuition. Trauma and hypervigilance can feel intense, but true intuition feels calm and steady, not urgent and panicked. So regulate first, then listen. When your body feels safer, intuition gets clearer. Third, people ignore intuition after getting hurt before. They actually knew, but they didn't act, and now they don't trust themselves. But that wasn't a failure, that was learning. Trust rebuilds through compassion. So start with small decisions. And fourth, people keep looking outside themselves for permission. Even when they already know what they want, they know the answer. The shift here is learning to check in with yourself first and then decide if outside input even feels necessary. Most people don't lack intuition, they lack safety, permission, and self-trust. And that is exactly what I am teaching in my upcoming 6-week psychic development immersion. If you're ready to reconnect with your inner knowing, the link is in the comments. The class will be on Wednesdays starting February 4th, 7 to 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're meant to be there, your soul will lead you there. Trust that. The class is also 95% experience. There's like 5% teaching and lessons, and then experiencing in real time so that you can hone your gifts while you're in this really safe container where we can explore how your intuition is showing up. Maybe intuition is showing up for you, but you think it's supposed to show up in a different way, and so you're missing it completely. I was born a psychic. I've taught a zillion psychic development classes over the last 2.5 decades. I love doing this because I have ways. We're going to do activations each week to help these gifts come online in a safe, grounded way. And then you get to use it and you get to find out what your intuition language looks like. I'm so excited to share this with you.